Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. And today I got a one more problem statement based on the one of the most widely used feature called drill through. Before going into that, please check out my channel where I have tried uploaded certain problem statements and solving them in a simplest manner. And if you able to follow this and you like this, please subscribe my channel. Now, for this particular problem statement, I'm using the sales superstore data and which I have been downloading from the data.world. So I will also add this link into my description so that if you want to practice the same, it would be easy for you. Now to come back to the problem statement. So one first thing is like how to set up a drill through and what exactly it is and how we can use this. So let's say we have a dashboard. In the dashboard, I'm just showing that my sales by region and someone wants to say, let's say, if I click on the west, it should go to my next dashboard and filter all my data for the region west. So this is something that we need to create, and this capability is termed as the drill through option. So before doing that thing, I just create a, let's say, segment versus sales, so that it would be easy. Sorry, my bad. So this is my chart. So whenever I click on, let's say, any of the region, my page 3 dashboard should get filter on that particular region. So how we can set up that thing, let's see. Before that, I'll just do some formatting stuff. So you have to click somewhere outside the chart because whole page I want to get to be filtered. And if you see this, we have the region and we are here also we have the drill through option. So we just need to drag this region to drill through option. So it is being done. So this is the common step for whichever approach that I'm going to use the further drill through. So the first thing, if I click on the west and right click it, and if you see the drill through option pops up and it navigates me to the page 3 and your data will be filtered for the same. Uh, Let me add legend also, data labels also here. So for this particular, let's say central region, the consumer has 250K sales. So this is how we can set up a drill through. But here in this issue, this thing, we have to explicitly tell and train our business stakeholders that okay, you have to right click and then choose the drill through option. The one more thing that we can explicitly insert a button, and that can be used also for someone to easily they can pick it up. Okay, here has the drill through option for this particular chart. So what I can do, I will just insert a button here. I will just rename it, say, let's say drill through, and let me make it as 25. Drill through bar chart, something whichever makes sense in your business that can be used. Now what I need to do is like I have to select again this thing. I have to set up an action for drill through. So you have to click on the action type, you have to select the drill through option, and then it asks for the destination. So you have to see give the destination, that is the page 3. So what it is, let's say if I click on south, if you do not click anything, it will be like something gray out or dim kind of a thing. Once I click south, it will pop up like this and it will ask the control plus click to drill through the page 3. So if I just hit control and click, my dashboard will be filtered. The next page 3 dashboard will be filtered based on this. And it also comes with one more uh, navigation button, which if you just control it this thing, it will drag me to this previous dashboard also. So let's say if I just go to east, click here, and it will have 2348. So let me this. So we have seen the two options. First, right click and drill through. The second, using the button. So one more option that I have recently found out is somewhat using the tooltip itself. Right now here we have to right click and use it, but somewhat here I would say saying the tooltip. If you just hover over east, it says the region east, the sum of sales something, and drill through option. Is it possible? Yes. How? Let's see. So what I need to do, I have to go to the file. Okay. Then I have to go to options and settings, then options. It will take some time to open this dialog box. Once it's done, we will see. Then in this options dialog box, we have to go to our preview features. In this preview features, if you see the modern visual tool tip, you have to select this thing, checkbox, tick box, and hit OK. Now what it says that you have to restart your Power BI. So we can do that. If I hit OK, I just need to save it first. Once I save these things, I will close this dashboard, and again I will go and open this. So once I open, let's see how this is the new way of like creating a drill through option. So let's see. So it will take some time, depends on your laptop and whatever the configuration that you are using. So it gets open. So let's see. So once it's there, you just need to hover over, let's say south, wait for a while. And if you see south and drill through option pops up. And if you just click here, it will direct you to the next page. So hope you are able to follow all these three steps till now. So we have seen right click and drill through option. We have seen button option. We have also seen hover over option, where whenever we are hover over any particular value, it will take some time and then it will the drill through page comes up. So these are the three ways you can train your stakeholders that these are the three options, whichever suits them, you can apply that thing. Now, what happens, let's say if I go here, if you see this is for South Central region, it's being filtered out. What if, let's say, its stakeholder ask you that I want to filter everything in this dashboard and I want to see the some KPIs, whatever the values are, then how you can do this filter? Because you cannot go and clear here this filter. It will clear everything, but it is not feasible thing, right? So what I can do, insert, I have to go insert, then click on this clear all filter slicer or filter, something like this. So it's a button kind of a thing. Generally it clears all the slicer, but here like I'm just for a time constraint, I'm just using this thing. What happens now, we have to go to modeling view, sorry, bookmark and selection. So it's just a second, insert. Yes, I have uploaded this page navigator. Now what happens, I have to select this thing, clear all filters. Let me do this, add a bookmark. Here also I will just clear all filters. Now what I can do, I can create an action on based on this. So what you need to do, you have to go here on the outside of your dashboard. And if you see if it is still filtered for this thing, central region, so you have to erase these things. So all the regions has been selected. Now you have to click here, create an action button, else it would be a like different thing, right? So we have to select a bookmark, clear all filter, and this update. So whenever you will drill through some options, it will come here. You have to hit clear all filter, it will back to the actual value. So this is how you can do this, like clear all filters, even if your drill through option is set up. Okay, if I go here, if you see all the regions are selected. If I just go here, let me do this in this way this time. 250K is there, central region is selected. I just hit clear all filters, so it will do this. So this kind of a clear filter option is also you can develop in this. So hope you are able to follow this point that these are the three different options that you can create a drill through button or drill through options using this tooltip or either right clicks. And like this is quite easy actually. So thank you so much. If you are able to follow this point, please follow my channel. Thank you so much.